Alright Jelte, you know what today is?
It's the big day.
It's cycling day. We're gonna take these bikes, these pieces of junk, all the way here from Breda back to South Holland around the Rotterdam area. So approximately 60-70 kilometers?
Something like that, yeah.
But we're probably gonna take a couple of D roads, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Got our first wrong way.
We're wrong again.
So we need to follow the 91? 93?
93.
There?
Yeah.
Where is 93? Ah, there! That's a bend road.
There.
Where it seems a killer is waiting for us.
Yeah.
Or we go to the radioactive place.
Yeah, sounds fun. Again.
And where in the world are we even?
To be honest, I have no clue.
Like, what? Why 2 in a row? Again! What's with these weirds?
Pretty nice river. We are wrong again. But at least we've got a theme park.
No roller coasters. Sucks.
So make myself a roller coaster. We're gonna try to make it past the entrance and then go all the way over here and then exit over there.
We're in the middle of nowhere. We're wrong.
And wrong again.
And our brave heroes made their way back, slowly and wobbly, to the place they just returned from. It was a long and perilous journey, with many small obstacles. We're out of the middle of nowhere! Civilization! A little bit. Kinda. Alright, let me give it a try. This is a public service announcement.
Remember kids, always clean up your stuff.
Right here at 12, going to 13, 29 and then straight through the middle of the forest, all the way here to the second boat.
So we are now at 16. Now we're going to 21, 22, 20.
Then we're halfway. How you doing? So we cycled wrong.
Again.
For 2 kilometers.
We're here and we're supposed to be here.
And we came from 8.
So we found the ferry. It's over there.
It took freaking forever. We're waiting for the water bus in Dordrecht. And if you want to know what's the most Dutch form of transportation ever, that's it.